Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are red with, Marvel and DC characters. Captain America, Spider-Man, Thor, Iron Man, Batman, pretty cool. Today, we're gonna learn about shapes with Play-Doh. How are we going to do that? I'll show you. We're going to make some shapes out of Play-Doh. Here we go. All right, so our first shape is going to be a triangle. And our color for Play-Doh is going to be blue, this dark blue. Okay, we got the dark blue Play-Doh. We have our triangle, and now we have our rolling pin. Our rolling pin is red handles, just like my gloves. I'm going to squish this down. Now we're going to put the shape right inside, press down on it, make a nice squishy sound. There it is inside. Whoa, look at that. All right, so there's our first shape. It's a blue triangle. Okay, our next shape is going to be this blue oval, and we're going to use this pink Play-Doh to make the shape. All right, let's use our roller to roll the Play-Doh out. Now we can put our oval in the Play-Doh like so. Whoa, look at that. Look how cool. Almost looks like an Easter egg. Okay, our next shape is this green circle. And we're gonna use this teal Play-Doh, like a light blue, a teal blue. All right, we have our Play-Doh. Here's our roller. Let's roll it out. Now we can take our circle, push down, and there it is. Whoa, look how cool. Okay, our next shape is this diamond or rhombus. And we're gonna use this light pink Play-Doh. Get our roller out. Squish, 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 squish. All right, now we can use the shape. All right, let's cut the shape out. 1, 2, 3, press. Whoa, that came out perfectly. Look at that. That's so cool. Let's put it with our other shapes. All right, our next shape is this orange star. And we're gonna use this light blue Play-Doh. That's like a very baby blue, like a robin eggs blue. All right, let's get our roller out. Squish it down. Use our shape. Press down. 1, 2, 3. That star. Whoa. All right, our next shape is going to be this purple hexagon. And we're going to use this bright orange Play-Doh. Ooh, that's bright. Okay, let's get our roller out and squish it down. Our shape to punch out the hexagon. 1, 2, 3. Push. Whoa, look at that. Look how cool. How many sides does a hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, our next shape is going to be this green crescent. This might look familiar up in the sky when the moon is partially covered and creates a crescent moon. The color we're going to be using is this dark green. Alright. Let's see what's inside. There's the dark green. Alright, we got our rolling pin. Let's roll it out. Alright, take our shape. 1, 2, 3, press down. And there it is. Alright, there's our crescent. Pretty cool. We're going to put it with our other shapes. Alright, our next shape is going to be this purple Quatrefoil. And we're going to use this yellow. Alright, let me get my trusty rolling pin out. Roll that yellow out. And now we can use our Quatrefoil. 1, 2, 3, press down. Whoa! And there it is. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Alright, our next shape is going to be this purple pentagon. And a pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Kind of looks like a house. We're going to use this yellowish green Play-Doh. Alright, got my rolling pin here. Let's squish it down so we have plenty of room to make this shape. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, press. Whoa, there it is. Look how cool. You can really see the definition in the color. Look at that. Whoa. I put that right there. Alright, our next shape is going to be this purple trapezoid. And we're going to use the dark blue again. Alright, let's squish it out. One, 2, 3, press. And there it is. Pretty cool. Alright, our next shape is going to be this purple heart. We're going to use this bright pink Play-Doh. Get my roller out. Flip it over. Alright, let's take the heart and go 1, 2, 3, press down. Oh wow, look how pretty that heart is. It's a pretty color for that heart. Put it right next to that trapezoid. Pretty cool. Alright, our next shape is going to be this blue rectangle. And we're going to use this turquoise Play-Doh. Let's get our roller out. Squish it down. Alright. Let's press down on the Play-Doh. 1, 2, 3, press. And there it is. Whoa. Put it next to our heart there. Look at that. Alright, our next shape is this blue square. And we're going to use this orange Play-Doh. There's my roller. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, press. Whoa! That's an orange square. If you tilt it on the side, it can either be a rhombus or diamond, and if the bottom was stretched out a little longer, it would be a kite. Let's put that square right there. Pretty cool. All right, our last shape is going to be this blue semicircle. It's not as small as a crescent, and it's not as full as a circle, so it's a semicircle cut right down the middle. And we're going to use this bright yellow to make it. All right, let's squish down the Play-Doh. Flip it over. All right. On 3. 1, 2, 3, press. And there you go. Look at that. If I turn it over, yeah, it creates a circle. There's our semicircle. All right, there's our shapes. All right, so we have a triangle, we have an oval, we have a circle, we have a diamond or rhombus, we have a star, we have a hexagon, we have a crescent, we have a quatrefoil, we have a pentagon, we have a trapezoid, a heart, a rectangle, a square, and a semicircle. That is so cool. All right, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of our shapes into the shapes box. Whoa, this is gonna be fun. All right, what's our first shape? That's right, it's a triangle. Let's find the triangle. Where's the triangle? There it is. Inside the triangle. All right, our next shape is gonna be this pink oval. Where on the shapes box do you see an oval? That's right here. I'm gonna pop it right in. All right, our next shape is gonna be this circle. Do you see where we have to put that circle? That's right here. Good job. All right, our next shape is gonna be this diamond or rhombus. Do you see where it goes? Right, that's great, right there. All right, next up is this star. Where does the star go? Do you see where the star goes? That's right up in there. Okay, what's next is our orange hexagon. Do you see where our orange hexagon can go? That's right, you're so good, right in there. All right, up next is this green crescent. Do you see where the crescent can go? Let me tilt it on its side. That's right there, good job. All right, what we have next is this yellow quatrefoil. Where does the quatrefoil go? Right here? That's right. Look, it matches up perfectly. Okay, now we have, remember what this house is called? That's right, it's a pentagon. And do you see where our pentagon can go? That's right, up in the right-hand side like that. All right, next is our trapezoid. Do you see where our trapezoid can go? I'll give you a hint. It's upside down. That's right, it's on the bottom. Good job. All right, our pretty pink heart is up next. This one's an easy one. I know you know this one. That's right. There goes the pink heart. All right, next is our blue rectangle. Do you see where our rectangle can go? That's right on the bottom. Way to go. And do you see where our square can go? That's right. All right, our last shape. That's right, it's a semicircle. Do you see where our semicircle can go? That's right on the bottom. Good job. You got them all. Look at that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you next time. Bye-bye.